Welcome to Bitcoin News Today on the 16th of August 2018. I'm James, and on today's episode we've got news of a Swedish Bitcoin Tracker 1 that's now available for US customers. Suicides relating to the Bitcoin price being so low. We've got news from the SIBO president regarding the ETF, and also news on Bitcoin shorts, which are the blue line here at a very high level right now. So I'll be discussing what that means. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. First of all, the news about the Swedish Bitcoin Tracker 1. This allows US investors to buy an exchange traded BTC note without purchasing Bitcoin. So a lot of people are looking for this, and the reason is that financial advisors cannot recommend purchasing Bitcoin. Instead, they need to recommend instruments which are more regulated. So this Swedish offering could be something that could be an alternative to the SIBO ETF. So good news there. Bad news regarding people's sentiment regarding not ETFs but Bitcoin in general. On Reddit, on the cryptocurrency discussion, people have shared the National Suicide Hotline in the US. So apparently people are getting so depressed about the Bitcoin price being low and what's happening in markets generally that the need to share this apparently has been done seriously rather than being a joke. The CBOE president cautiously hopeful on the Bitcoin ETF prospects despite recent setbacks from the Securities and Exchange Commission in the US. Now, SIBO could be the first company to win approval for a Bitcoin ETF, which again, as I just mentioned, is something that can be recommended by financial advisors. And this particular ETF is backed by physical Bitcoin, which could be fantastic for the Bitcoin price going forward into 2019. They are expected to lead the market, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I will update you on that. Now, Bitcoin shorts, this is where people are betting against the Bitcoin price rising. Bitcoin shorts are currently at a very high level, and I'm amazed that other YouTubers are still recommending that people are shorting Bitcoin despite everything pointing to the Bitcoin price rising in the very near future. So let's have a look at the recent Bitcoin action. This graph here is in fact, let's go to year to date just to give you an idea. Now, the reason that people are so depressed at the moment is because we have seen the Bitcoin price go low in February. The 5th of February was at the same level that we are at now currently while I'm making this video, and also on the 1st of April, funnily enough, exactly the same price that we're currently trading at now. On the 18th of June we saw these same levels as well, and then we did go down to lower levels than we are seeing at the moment. Also, we had low levels on the 13th of July, and we are at a low at the moment. In terms of the relative strength, that is on its way up. We are seeing a upward trend which should correlate with the price very soon, especially when we do get to the oversold levels again. Now, I'm expecting that when we do get up to that level, I would expect it's going to be around $7,800 to $7,900 when we do see that bounce. And it's certainly not happened yet. Now, the interesting thing about these shorts being so high, the shorts are in blue here on my chart, Whenever we have had a big increase in shorts, for example, it did happen when we got a peak on the 10th of April, what happened after then in terms of Bitcoin price is we got a increase. So it went up 48% during that time. Will we see a similar increase in the next days or weeks? I think so, because when you get a lot of people thinking that the price is going to go down, chances are most of them are going to be wrong and the price will go up. So we could be at a time right now where it could be one of the best opportunities to invest in Bitcoin this year. And if you are brand new and you would like to buy some Bitcoin, you can get a $10 or £7 bonus by clicking the link in my video description, which goes to Coinbase, and that is one of the most trusted Bitcoin exchanges in the world. Now I'll show you something else on a different chart. Here I've showed you the Bitcoin shorts. Now let's look at Bitcoin futures. Okay, this is the current contract for Bitcoin futures, and ignore the blue, which is still showing the previous Bitcoin shorts, which are going up. But the interesting thing on this graph is any gaps in the chart, because gaps always get filled. So we have got a gap that starts at $7,154 and goes up to $7,280. Now this happened between trading days, and that gap needs to get filled very soon. So you can expect that in the next few days the price will go up to above $7,163. So good opportunity to buy here and make some profit. You could make a profit of at least, let's see, at least 11%. So yes, a good opportunity to buy there. Will we go up higher than that? That remains to be seen. But you can see whenever we get gaps, those gaps do get filled. We had a gap down here that got filled here. The gaps always get filled quite soon, as you can see. So I hope that makes sense and gives you some confidence that the prices will be increasing in the near future. In the long run, I do think that Bitcoin USD does have a lot of potential. If we go to the all-time chart on Bitstamp, you'll see that from 2012 to date, the price has been between these channels. So my opinion is that once we do get to the 1st of January next year in 2019, the price will go up if it hasn't done already. So please do give the video a thumbs up if you like the content, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think in the comments. Just reply saying if you are bullish or bearish about Bitcoin. Feel free to ask me any questions that you have. If you're bullish, that means the price is going to go up. If you're bearish, you're thinking that the price is going to go down. So I'd love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments now. And also check out this video, which I'm sure you will love as well. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.